Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna check out 10 Austrian words you should know before you visit Austria. These 10 Austrian words will help you to get around easily. So let's get started. The learning goal of this video is to know 10 Austrian words you should know before you visit Austria. These 10 words will help you to make your trip, your holiday, much easier. The first word is your. This means yes in English and ja in Standard German. We'll come across it very often, so it's important to know it. Your means yes. The second word is na. You might guess it means no in English. In Standard German it is nein. I've already made a video about yes and no in Austrian German, so please check it out if you want to know more about it. The third word is It actually doesn't mean anything. It's like est-ce que c'est, the est-ce que in French. You can emphasize things, for example, yo na it's a kind of gap filler to emphasize things. The fourth word is Passt, and this means that's alright, it's okay. Passt, it's very important and you will hear it all the time. The fifth word is Guad, and this means good in English. The sixth word is Depat. It's a kind of informal word actually, but you come across it very often. For example, bist du deppert, so it means stupid. Seventh word is Servus, and Servus means hello. It comes from Latin, and there's even a TV station called Servus TV in Austria. The eighth word is Grüß Gott. It's a formal greeting. It's like Grüezi in Switzerland, for instance, or Guten Tag in Standard German. Grüß Gott means hello. The ninth word is Gema. So let's go, or here we go. In Spanish you would say vamos. So Gema is very common. And the 10th word is Oida. It's used very often. Its origin is Vienna, and I've already made a video about the usage of Oida. You can check it out if you want, but it's very common, especially among young people. So I hope these 10 Austrian words will help you to get around and will improve your holiday. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial.